If your Sony Bravia Google TV is unresponsive when you switch it on, it won't turn on at all, and the display is not working, then let me show you some simple troubleshooting techniques that will help you fix your Sony Smart TV that's not turning on. The first thing you should try is turning your TV on using the onboard power button. This will be usually at the center of the bottom panel, right below the LED, or for some models it may be at the left or the right. So simply press on the power button and see if your TV comes on. If it does turn on, then it means your remote is not working and you can try changing its batteries. But if it doesn't turn on, then we'll move to the next step, which is cold booting your TV, and this will fix minor software glitches that may be causing this issue. So unplug your TV from power and wait for about 5 minutes. Then plug your TV back in and try turning it on. If it still doesn't turn on, then disconnect any external HDMI inputs or USB storage devices that's plugged into your TV, and while you're doing that, also inspect the power cord for any damage and connect it properly to your TV and the power source. And if you're using an extension cord, then you can try plugging your TV directly into a wall outlet and see if it turns on after that. Still no luck? Then the last thing we can do is try to force reset our TV. For that, you need to disconnect your TV from power once again, and while it's disconnected, hold down the power button and then plug the power cord. Wait for the Sony logo to appear, which means your TV is now factory reset, and hopefully it will boot up in setup mode. So just finish the setup process and your TV will be as good as new. Even after trying the reset, if you don't see anything on the screen and your TV still won't turn on, then it's probably a damaged power supply and your TV will need to get repaired. That's all for this video. Make sure to leave your feedback, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.